Love, that magical, sometimes mysterious force that makes our hearts race and our brains, well, short-circuit just a bit. But have you ever wondered what's actually going on up there when you fall in love? Today, we're diving into the science of love, why we fall for certain people, and how our brains turn into big mushy love factories. Get ready, because things are about to get interesting. 1. The chemistry of love. It's literally chemistry. Let's start with the basics. You know how some people say, "We have chemistry"? Well, that's not just a cute phrase. When you fall for someone, there's actual chemistry at play. Dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin, all those feel-good chemicals. Dopamine is the reward hormone. It's like your brain's little cheerleader, saying, "Yes, yes, keep going." When you're around someone you like, your dopamine levels skyrocket, and that's why you feel giddy or even obsessed. It's basically your brain getting high on love. Yep, love literally makes us addicts. Don't worry, it's perfectly legal. 2. Why we're drawn to certain people. But here's the big question. Why are we drawn to certain people? Science has a pretty interesting answer, and it's a little weird. Researchers say a lot of it boils down to biology, including things like symmetry and even smell. Yep, we're like, you smell nice, let's fall in love. It sounds crazy, but it's real. Studies show that people with different immune system genes than ours often smell more attractive because, biologically, that means stronger offspring. So, love at first sniff might actually be a thing. No pressure, but next time you meet someone, go ahead and take a big ol' whiff. It's science. 3. Love and the brain. Your brain's love cocktail now. Once you're deep in those feelings, the brain pulls out the big guns, oxytocin and vasopressin. They call these bonding hormones because they make you feel closer to your partner. Oxytocin is released during cuddling, kissing, and, well, you know. It's why we call it the cuddle hormone. And here's a fun fact: studies show that oxytocin actually lowers our defenses, which is probably why love makes us more vulnerable and open to someone else. So, when people say love makes them do crazy things, they aren't wrong. It's all about those pesky brain chemicals at work. Warning: oxytocin may cause excessive hugging and random acts of kindness. 4. Why heartbreak hurts literally. Okay, but what about when things go wrong? Turns out, heartbreak isn't just in your head, it's also in your body. When you're heartbroken, the brain stops releasing all those happy chemicals, and instead, you get a dose of stress hormones, like cortisol. And here's the kicker. Heartbreak activates the same part of your brain that processes physical pain. So yes, your brain thinks a breakup is the same as getting a whacked in the shin. Science actually calls this social pain, and it's very real. So, when you're eating ice cream and crying over your ex, just know that's self-care, and we support it. 5. How to keep love alive. The brain needs novelty. Now, if you want to make love last, here's a little trick from science. Keep things fresh. The brain loves novelty. That's why the honeymoon phase feels so magical. When things are new and exciting, the brain releases more dopamine, just like at the start of a relationship. So, keep trying new things with your partner. Go on adventures, take up a new hobby together, or even try that weird cooking class. Basically, keep your brain guessing, and the love chemicals will keep flowing. Think of it as the ultimate relationship hack, because no one has time to read a whole relationship book, right? Love is complicated, thrilling, and a little messy, and our brains are right there along for the ride. Next time you feel those butterflies, remember, you're just a mix of chemicals, a dash of biology, and a whole lot of mystery. Thanks, science, for keeping things interesting. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the love. Thank you for watching.